Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for this mode. It could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. You also have the option allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, this call will be added to exceptions too. The same goes to the messages. You can also add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders and events to the exceptions. You can restrict notifications. You can restrict sound notifications, you can restrict visual and sound notifications, or you can customize these restrictions for yourself here. You can also set default duration of this mode, and you have the schedule for it. You can select days when it will be active, start time, end time. You can also set alarms to override end time. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.